The Philips TAB7908 is a 5.1.2 channel soundbar with a wireless subwoofer that promises to deliver immersive Dolby Atmos sound for a cinematic experience at home. It has a sleek and elegant design that can be wall-mounted or placed on a TV stand, and it comes with a remote control for easy operation. But how does it perform in terms of sound quality, features, and value? Let's find out. The Philips TAB7908 has a total output power of 740 watts, which is quite impressive for a soundbar in this price range. It has 8 drivers in the soundbar, including 2 up-firing drivers for Dolby Atmos, 2 side-firing drivers for surround sound, and a dedicated center channel for vocal clarity. The wireless subwoofer has a 8 inches woofer that delivers deep and powerful bass. The sound quality of the Philips TAB7908 is very good, especially when it comes to Dolby Atmos effects. The soundbar creates a realistic and spacious soundstage that envelops you in the action, with sounds coming from above and around you. The up-firing drivers do a great job of reflecting sound off the ceiling, and the side-firing drivers add width and depth to the sound. The center channel ensures that dialogue is clear and crisp, even in loud scenes. The subwoofer adds punch and rumble to the bass, but it can also be a bit overpowering and boomy at times. The soundbar has a night mode that reduces the bass and enhances the dialogue for late-night viewing. The soundbar supports Dolby TrueD, Dolby Digital Plus, and LPCM formats, as well as DTS Virtual X, which simulates 3D surround sound from any source. The soundbar also has an AI upmix feature that enhances the sound quality of non-Atmos content. The soundbar has 4 equalizer settings: movie, music, voice, and stadium, as well as treble and bass controls. The soundbar also has an audio sync feature that adjusts the sound to match the video. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe to the channel would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. And don't forget to like the video, as it helps reach a wider audience and really supports the channel. The Philips TAB7908 has a lot of features that make it a versatile and convenient soundbar. It has one HDMI input and one HDMI output with ERC support, which means that it can pass through 4K, HDR10, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and HLG signals, as well as receive high-quality audio from your TV. The soundbar also has an optical input, a 3.5mm audio input, and a USB port for playing music from external devices. The soundbar supports Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to stream music from your smartphone or tablet using the Philips Sound app. The soundbar also has an Easy Link feature that lets you control the soundbar with your TV remote, and a one-touch standby feature that turns off the soundbar when you turn off your TV. Setting up the Philips TAB7908 is a breeze. The soundbar comes with all the necessary cables and instructions, making the process straightforward and user-friendly. Simply connect the soundbar to your TV and power it on, and it will automatically detect your TV and configure itself accordingly. The Philips TAB7908 has a simple and intuitive user interface with an LED display on the front that shows the input, volume, and sound mode. The remote control is ergonomic and easy to use, with buttons for power, input, volume, mute, sound mode, night mode, audio sync, and subwoofer level. The soundbar also has a few buttons on the top for power, input, volume, and Bluetooth pairing. Here are some of the pros and cons of the sound system. Pros: exceptional sound quality with Dolby Atmos support. 5.1.2 channel configuration for immersive audio. Wireless subwoofer for enhanced bass. Bluetooth connectivity for wireless music streaming. HDMI ARC and optical inputs for compatibility with a wide range of devices. Wall-mountable design for flexible placement. Easy setup and use. Cons: can be expensive. Some users have reported issues with the subwoofer connection. The Philips TAB7908 is a great value for money soundbar, considering its sound quality, features, and performance. It offers a fantastic Dolby Atmos experience that rivals more expensive soundbars, and it has a lot of connectivity options and streaming capabilities. It is suitable for TVs of 55 inches and up, and it can enhance your movie, music, and gaming experience. The only drawbacks are the slightly intrusive bass and the lower mid-range that can be a bit soft. However, these are minor issues that can be adjusted with the equalizer settings and the subwoofer level. Overall, the Philips TAB7908 is a soundbar that delivers more than what you pay for, and it is highly recommended for anyone looking for a budget-friendly Dolby Atmos soundbar. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.